Isn't nature beautiful? Welcome to CSC, a nature show, starring Care, Sare, and Coll. Sponsored by Sanitary Fish Market and Restaurant and Sanderson High School. Go Spartans.
Hi, welcome to part 1, the Swiss Alps. I'm Sare. Come on. Now, it's summer, so there's no snow, but we have here the most famous Swiss Alp tree. This is the koala tree. Moving on, trekking up the Swiss Alps. Here we are at the berry tree. Now, the berry tree is famous for its berries, but the berries aren't out in the summer. Too bad you missed out. Okay, moving on. Here it is. As you can see, it's summer, so the leaves are off the trees. So, this one is much prettier in the winter, but it is also a very famous tree. It is called the Juba tree. Thank you so much for coming to the Swiss Alps for part 1. Is that Coca-Cola Light?
Why, yes it is.
Oh!
Get your own Coke. Oh, hello. Welcome to part 2 of the nature video, the Bahamas. Let's go check it out. Our first tree is the pampa. It's a very rare species in the islands, but we all love it. Now, going over... Oh, look! Our little furry fish friend, Herbert. This is a very rare species of the blue-fin fish, and we all love him. Now, here's the most famous of the bushes. This is what girls do the hula in, these things, and it's called the Bahama bush. It's also a rare species, but it's most popular. Okay, well this is the Bahamas. The sun's out. I'm going to go get a tan. And thank you for checking out part 2 of the Bahamas.
Bye, guys, swimming. Oh, ew. Does your pool look like this? Oh, then what you need is a Sammy's pool cover. You can get them for $14.99 at your local Target and Kmart. So next summer, when your pool is perfectly clean, you'll thank Sammy's. Sammy's pool covers. A bargain for life.
Hey, I'm Coll, and this is the third part, the final part of the nature video. We're in the desert today. Here we have a native the area. It's fairly tall, as you can see. It loses its leaves. they're orange. They're different. Anyway, over here, behind here, right here, we've got a cactus. And these are very common in the desert. And little animals like to eat off their little leaves. And over here,
I want Pringles. I want Pringles. Da 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 da. Pringles? Buy them at your local grocery store.
Thanks for stopping by.